Let's copy the email address and its password. I have mentioned before that this Docker Compose file could have been made more secure, but since this tutorial series is focused on beginners to mid-level developers, I am not covering that complex part here. I will share that complex configuration with you in another tutorial. Now let's hit the login button. Great. We were able to successfully log in to the PG admin panel. Nice. Now let's connect our PG admin to the PostgreSQL database by clicking on the link named Add New Server. From the DB service defined in Docker Compose file, let's copy the database server access credentials. Here in the Connection tab, put the database access credential and hit the Save button. Nice. We have successfully connected with our PostgreSQL database. Here, if we expand the database's tree menu from the left panel, you can see our database. Now expand the schemas. You can see tables. One thing I would like to share that is, actually PostgreSQL database is very similar to the Oracle database, which means its structure and features are quite similar to Oracle database. Now let's check the client table and see if the new client data we inserted a while ago is there or not. You see the new client data we inserted is showing here. So now we're sure that all of our configuration is working properly. So, you see how robustly the Django framework can adapt to any database. That's really cool. So, let's store another client in the database. Hopefully everything will work fine. In this case, I am putting my own name and my details in this client form. I have almost filled out the form. Now hit the Save button to store this data to the database. Great. Our new client named Tanvir is stored in the database, and it shows in this list view. Now, click the Execute button, which looks like a play button, and see its output. Look, here we see a newly created client named Tanvir. Now let's check from the Django admin panel whether all the data is showing properly or not. Hopefully everything is working properly. Yes, all data is showing here as well. Nice. Okay, we have come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial series. I am uploading the entire project to GitHub, and the GitHub link is given in the description box. If you want, you can use my entire codebase in any of your own projects. So, stay connected with me, because there are many more real-life project tutorials coming up on machine learning, AI and deep learning, data analysis and data engineering. See you in the next tutorial, which is going to be more interesting.